Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Questasim and how to install it and basically how to set up the license. So each and everything I will tell you in a step by step manner so that you can install it and you can set up the license and everything. Okay, so first of all I'll provide you a link which will be available in my video description. From there you have to download it. So once you click that link you will be redirect to this page, right? After that you have to just press download button. So after that you have to do download. Okay, you have to click here and downloading will start. So here you can see downloading started. So after download I will meet you. Now the next step is you have to extract it because it is in zip folder, so you have to extract it. So I'll show you how to extract also. So this is where our downloaded file it is. Now I will extract it and I will show you how to extract it. So see here you have to click extract all. Once you click here, then just wait for a while. So here on the by default location you just have to extract it. So it's extracting. So finally extraction is completed. Now see, the first step is you have to download it, then second step you have to extract it because it is in a zip file. Now the third step is you have to install it. So I'll show you how to install it. Just click here and you will find, see, so many files is there. So in that you have to choose this one, Questasim Win64. Once click, double click here, and then you will get a window. So just wait. It's depend on how, it's basically depend on your system configuration. So the speed of installation will depend on that only. Just waiting. Now you have to press yes, then the installation will start. Then you have to do next. Okay, so this is by default location, you don't need to change it. Just press next. Okay, and here you have to do agree and the installation will start. Okay, press yes, and that window will not come to you because I already installed once, so that's why it asked that you want to replace that old folder. That's why I said yes. Maybe that window will not come in your computer. Okay, so it's installing. After that, the fourth step, what you have to do, the see, first step you have to download, second step extract it, and the third step you have to install it, and the fourth step you have to do license setup. For that, what you have to do, see here you find so many folder. So in that you have to click here on cracked. So see, as you know, this is cracked version, so we have to do license setup. So click others, then you will find two folder. So let's see where it is. So yeah, so you have to open second folder. In that you have to copy these three file. Okay, then where you have to go, you have to go to this PC and open C drive. Once you open C drive you will find Questasim. So this is, see, this folder. Open this folder and go to the bin 64. So you will find win64. See, win64. Just open this one and press V. So I just want to replace old folder with a new. Yeah, so see here, I pasted these three file here in win, where in win64. Okay, now next step is, what is the next step? Same, click here. You have to open this one, right? Patch, download this folder you have to open. Okay, just don't do anything, simply just wait, it will create license for you, right? Just open, just double click that file, and it will do everything for you. You don't need to do anything, just wait. Click yes. Yes. Now press any key to continue. So I am going to press enter. Without pressing anything also, your license has been created. So see, this is your license file. Now you have to save this license file in that bin location. So how you can do that? See, press here and then go to the save as, and after this, so after this, don't change anything, just go to the your bin location, and 64 bin location you have to go. So how you will go there? Yes, click yes, and then here you have to press here, and go to the Questasim, and then you have to go to bin location, bin 64. Yeah, so this is where we are inside the win64. Here you have to do what you have to do, license.txt. This is what you have to do. Okay, then you have to press enter. Now that license file saved at a location win64. Okay. Okay, so I actually pasted that license file into the bin64 location. Okay, then the next step, what you have to do, see, successfully I have pasted here that license file. Where it is, somewhere it will be, I will show you. This one, right? Now what I have to do, I have to go to the here you can come to the search and search here environment variable. See, edit environment variable. Okay, now see, already I have already added, but I will show you how to do this. So first of all, I will edit, click edit, and here I will actually, first I will delete, and then I will show you how to add this. Okay, this one also I'll delete because I'm not using this Java things. Okay, so press edit, and he see here you have to give the name. What is the name? You have to type mgls, then license, see, underscore license, license and file. This is a standard name which you have to give. Okay, then location also you have to choose. So browse direct, browse file basically. Then here you have to go to the win64 only. Come here and then go to the Questasim, go to the bin64, win64, where it is, here. Inside the win64 you have something called as license.txt, right? That is what we have to select, license.txt, this one. Okay, then you have to open it. See here the location. Okay, then you have to press OK, and yeah, this is what you have to, that's it, and press OK. Okay, so finally you have installed Questasim. Now you search here Questasim. Okay, now open it. See, everything working perfectly. So see, this is what you have to do. You have to follow all these 4 or 5 steps, then you will be finally able to successfully install it. And then if you find any error or anything, just message me on LinkedIn. Okay, don't comment on YouTube video. Some I'm not getting time to see your comments, so it's better to message me on LinkedIn. Just search in LinkedIn, just search VLSI Pro and message me if you get any error or anything. Okay, just message me there. So see, this is very easy steps you have to follow. Okay guys,